Do you feel that the Wi-Fi at home is only used by you, but the speed is inexplicably slow? It is most likely because the Wi-Fi is connected by someone else. Being connected to your own Wi-Fi by strangers will not only reduce the internet speed but also risk leaking personal privacy information. Hackers can invade personal mobile phones and computers through Wi-Fi to obtain information. Today I will share a useful tool to check whether your home Wi-Fi is connected to others. Enter the Play Store, search for Fing, and download this application. Fing is a professional network analysis application that can view all devices connected to our network, both wired and Wi-Fi. Also included are data for weather consoles, TVs, pictures, tablets, phones, etc. such as IP address, manufacturer, device, name, and MAC address. This tool can also help you test Wi-Fi and cellular internet speed, download speed, and upload speed, and provide analysis results. Check to see if your home Wi-Fi is being used by others. Please follow us for more content.